Carmula Mobile App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how digital banking is evolving. Carmula in 2025 offers a mobile-first approach to loans, savings, and payments, but is it worth downloading? Carmula provides personal loans with flexible repayment options, a built-in savings feature, and easy account management. The surprising truth is speed. Most people get this wrong by thinking loan approvals take days. Carmula can approve eligible applicants within minutes, depositing funds directly into your account. Another advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see clear interest rates, repayment terms, and no hidden fees, which makes it easy to budget and plan. The app also includes financial insights and reminders to help users stay on track. However, there are cons. Loan eligibility depends on credit score, income, and other factors, so not everyone may qualify. Interest rates can be higher than traditional bank loans, especially for borrowers with limited credit history. Additionally, Carmula is primarily digital, so in-person support is limited. In conclusion, Carmula mobile app is best for users who want quick access to loans and easy financial management in 2025. If you value convenience, clear terms, and digital control over your finances, it's a solid choice. Traditional banks may still offer lower rates, but for speed and simplicity, Carmula delivers a user-friendly experience.